Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. We're about to head into another stretch of cool days. As we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, this would be the tail end of our current 7-day outlook and the few days that follow. In other words, the start of August, a big blue bullseye into the northeastern U.S. That includes our area. Temperatures will be headed below average as we get into the end of this week. So here's what's going on. This frontal boundary approaching the region here tonight. That'll allow for a stray shower or a rumble of thunder through our Tuesday evening. That chance does continue overnight, firing as that front slowly drifts into the region, and we'll keep an eye out into our Wednesday morning for perhaps a couple of raindrops there too. Activity Wednesday looks fairly isolated, but it is going to be a bit more of a humid afternoon for us. You see those dew points later in the day jumping to the upper 60s to around 70. It stays humid into Thursday, where dew points remain elevated through much of the day. Thursday night, as that cooler and drier air starts moving in, you see the dew points dropping, starts feeling much less humid, and those temperatures, they'll be noticeably cooler for you on Friday. So walking through Futurecast, you see a couple of stray showers showing up here through our Tuesday evening, especially through Trumbull and Mercer counties. The closer to the lake, the better the chance at seeing a few of those overnight. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Same goes for Wednesday morning. Could see a couple of downpours or a thunderstorm throughout the morning. Now, I do think the model is slightly overdone on how much it is spitting out here in terms of coverage of this, but the risk is there for some isolated downpours and storms through the morning, continuing into the afternoon. That's that frontal boundary that I showed you. It's kind of going to stall out overhead and will act as a focal point to get some additional showers and storms trying to fire up into your Wednesday. Now, slim chance for one of these to be a little gusty. We'll keep an eye on that. Temperatures, they still make it into the 80s, and I still expect some sunshine. So overall, Wednesday, not a complete washout, but there's a better chance that you encounter some raindrops, some thunderstorms. Now, Wednesday night into Thursday, we'll start turning our attention to the northwest. What I'll be watching for is a complex of thunderstorms coming out of Wisconsin. It develops into Wednesday night, so I'll be tracking that for you on 33 News Wednesday evening. And where that goes, well, that's going to have an impact on how much rain we see and also our potential for some stronger storms. The latest data coming in hints at that cluster of storms going more so to our south, keeping us more on the northern flank, which would be mainly some showers working through, a chance for a couple of thunderstorms. However, the track that this takes, it's likely to have a core of some stronger storms involved in that. What's referred to as an MCS, and that type of storm complex can produce some very strong wind gusts right where that starts to bow out that segment there. So we'll be watching this closely going into the early morning hours of our Thursday. I do expect a lot of clouds Thursday morning, some showers at least around the area, and then into Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening could still have a couple of showers or even a rumble of thunder until that cooler and drier air starts settling in. That's going to be Thursday night, heading into Friday as the pattern starts to shift. But this is the severe outlook, and I know that it says Wednesday. Well, that's because the timing of when that complex of storms I showed you would start moving in would still fall under the outlook that would be for Wednesday. You could see that higher risk of severe weather, that complex coming out of Wisconsin. What we'll be watching for, though, is how far to the south that dives, and if we dodge that, then we'll see again mainly just some showers. So something to keep an eye on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Next 24 hours, well, you'll notice a spike in humidity, rain and downpours, a little bit of a better risk of encountering those going through your Wednesday. This Tuesday evening, just an isolated shower or a rumble of thunder, about 65 degrees. Again, a stray morning shower or storm possible for us with those temperatures, well, a little warmer to start. Mid-60s early morning, around 70 by 10 a.m. And the highs will jump back into the mid-80s. It'll be a bit more humid. We'll look for some peaks of sun, but again, stray showers and storms possible throughout your Wednesday. And then Wednesday night into Thursday, watching that cluster of storms that'll bring a higher likelihood for rain into your Thursday. I expect a lot of clouds around for Thursday too. Keeps our temperatures from warming as much, highs near 80. Friday and Saturday look like two beautiful days. They will feel comfortable, but they are going to be much cooler. Only mid-70s Friday, approaching upper 70s Saturday. Then heading into Sunday, there's another cold front that I'm watching. That will come with a round of some showers and storms. It does not look like a washout, but I do expect a period where there's some rain working through and some clouds. That cold front brings another shot of even cooler air to the valley. We're talking a low around 50 for your Monday morning commute. Highs in the low 70s to kick off the next work week, and we're jumping back toward the mid to upper 70s next Tuesday with partly sunny skies.